Hey guys, Steve from Resale Dojo back, and today I got a very quick video for you. I'm in California. When I'm in California, I think about surfing. I got the waves back there, but definitely no one's surfing right there. But today I'm going to show you my top DVD surfing bolos for you guys. I'm going to just put on some chill music, maybe some chill wave videos, and show you guys the bolos. So here they are. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.